Hi everyone, welcome you all back to my channel. Happy New Year's. 2020 is gonna be such an amazing year. I could just already feel it. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing for a item that I purchased off eBay. This is my first thing I purchased off eBay, so I'm very excited and also very nervous. I'm just so excited for this. Just because, like, you guys know that I had the favorite MM and I loved that bag in a way. Well, I'm not gonna lie to you, like when I first opened the box, I didn't do an unboxing for that one actually. I opened the box and I was like, oh, like this is it, like here's the favorite MM. It wasn't something so big like I thought it was gonna be, like it just didn't make my heart so happy, you know? So here's the box and I'm so excited. This seller on eBay has amazing reviews. Literally she only had like 1 neutral star and like so many positive stars. I'll leave her information in the description below so you guys can check her out. She has a lot of items, so you know, like that is so nice. She wrapped it really nicely. And then we got our item. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Okay, so 1 second. So whenever I purchased my favorite MM, I knew that I wanted like a crossbody from LV, but that one just didn't work out for me, you know. I wore it to the club, I wore it out shopping, and wherever I went I just didn't feel comfortable just because the, you know, like the flap, it's like, I don't know, I just always got scared. So I wanted something with the zipper, so this is it. So here's the box. I don't know if it came with this box actually from the time that it was like in, like, you know, in stores. So here is the dust bag, and then here is the Pochette Accessoires. This is so good looking. Let me just inspect it real quick while I show you. It was in pretty good condition according to the listing, so that's why I decided to go for it. So let me just like kind of inspect it real quick. The interior does have some, you know, little stains, probably like of makeup, but that doesn't bother me so much. It just smells like grapes. I don't know how I feel about that. Like grape medicine. Okay, I don't know, it just smells like grapes. I don't know how I feel about that. Okay guys, sorry, I had to take a moment. I just started kind of freaking out about this not being authentic, but like I know she sells authentic items, so I don't know why I'm freaking out. So anyways, I have to keep in mind that this is a 2015 item, and I've heard so many stories and reviews on people saying that, you know, their canvas back then was so much thicker and like, you know, much richer, and so this does feel a lot sturdier than like my authentic Neverfull. So, you know, maybe that's kind of like why I started kind of like flipping out. So I'm gonna show you the hardware and like the logo. Obviously this has to be pointed out, you know how it is. And here's the strap. It's obviously, I don't think I'm gonna wear it with the strap just because I don't think like it's my personal style, but I do have another strap which I'll show you. This is a strap which is very flimsy. I've been trying to fix it, and it wears as a crossbody. It's like a chocolate brown, so I'm just gonna wear this one on this because I don't like the whole thought of like this. Like that is so like early 2000s. I was born in late 1990s, so early 2000s is not an era I liked. I know a lot of people are for it, but I personally don't like it so much. I'm sorry. So here is the private pocket, and it does have the, you know, tab in there. Oh my god, I just messaged my friend Eliza, if you're watching, hey girl. I asked her if she knows like where the tab is, like for the date code, just because I was like freaking out. I still kind of am. I don't know why. I know a lot of you girls say like, oh, like I'm so scared to buy like pre-loved, and I never thought I would be scared just because I know that I do my research very well. I watch so many videos like people showing like bought from LV store and showing exactly how like the bag looks and what it has and the stitching, the number of stitchings and things like that. So I'm pretty well educated on that, but just when I got the item and like felt it, like it felt so weird, you know. But it doesn't smell like plastic, you know, like that plasticky scent that stays on there forever. Like no matter how, like you will literally smell it if you like smell deep enough. So yeah, this isn't the case with this. I mean, everything looks really good actually. I think it was definitely worth like the money it was, just because you know, these can go, like I can sell this for like $900 and get my money, and like, you know, it's like like I want to like do reselling, so that's why I'm like buying things. So yeah, but I really do like this. Like I don't know if I'm gonna keep it for myself, but like I do want to eventually wear it just so I can know like how it works out for my life and everything. The zipper is really buttery, like it's really nice. So I'm gonna be showing you some things that I'm gonna put in here. Okay guys, so I just moved the camera down a little bit. So here's the Pochette Accessoire, and now I'm just gonna put in some things in it to just kind of like know, to show you pretty much how many things fit in here. So I had my things in here. Okay, so here's the mini pochette, and I'm just gonna put it in here. I mean, I'll compare it. If you guys want a comparison video, let me know, because I will do it. Just kind of let me experience more with the Pochette Accessoires. So what does it look like? The canvas color is not the same as I'm seeing right now in real life. The mini pochette is actually a little bit more chocolatey, but then again, this is from 2019, and then this is from 2015. But my key clay, this is from, I believe, 2017 or something like that. So I'm just gonna put that right in there, and that's what that looks like. So here's the toiletry pouch that I've been using a lot on my Neverfull. So I'm just gonna take a few things from here that I will probably need. So first is Yash lipstick from MAC, which is what I'm wearing right now, in case you were wondering. So I'm just gonna throw that right in there, and also some Aleve headache pills, just because my head hurts quite often. Also some gum. I will be taking some liners and just putting them in the little pocket in there, just so they're not like visible. I don't want to take my mini pochette just because I know that it's going to take up a lot of space. Also my eyelash glue, this is just a Kiss one. It has like aloe in there, so it's really nice. And then I don't know what else to take. I don't think I need anything else from here. I'll just take my little AirPod looking things, and that is honestly everything that I would take. Also my keys are in here, so I'll just put that right in there. I mean, there's lots of space actually, in my opinion. So yeah, this is probably what I would like take out for today. So I do want to go ahead and put on the strap. I know it's really flimsy. I think I'm gonna put it under like a sheet and then like iron it, just so it's not like ugly like this. I want it like nice and stretched. I left it under my bed for like a whole week, and like, you know, slept on my bed to put in the weight of it, but it just didn't flatten out. So I'm gonna show you how this bag looks like, and then we're gonna go ahead and put on the strap. Hey guys, it's me. So this is what the Pochette Accessoire looks like. I think it looks really, really cute. Honestly, like I'm not mad about how it looks like this. Like wearing it like this, it actually looks really, really cute. Please excuse the mess in the back, I'm sorry, but this is what it looks like. Maybe I'd actually wear it like with this strap if I were to be wearing like a midi dress, but obviously it's, you know, it's Thursday today. I'm not gonna be wearing a midi dress. So this is what it looks like. I want to go ahead and try it on with the longer strap, so let me go ahead and do that. Such a hard time taking this off, and I just realized it's ripped a little bit from the corner right there, and also from this side. Can you believe that? I did not notice that. What the heck? Anyways, it's not like I care for this strap, but you know, it would be nice to just have it, because I did now see that it looked really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off like really, really carefully, because look at that. You see that? That's like more than halfway. Oh my god. I really took it off, and there is the rip. I mean, I probably could get it replaced at LV, but I don't know. I don't want to go through all of that. So, hey guys, so I'm back, as you can see, and with the same weight of the Pochette Accessoire, it actually straightens out the strap here, which is actually really, really good. So it hits like right there, as you can see, like right at my hip, so that's really good. I'm very happy about that. I was initially, like, you know, I want to say like about 6-7 months ago, I was really into bags like being all the way up here. I'm not so much into that anymore, so I think this is like the perfect adjustment. So I think it looks really, really good. Honestly, this was exactly kind of like what I wanted. I'm pretty sure I'll eventually get another strap from like eBay or something that's like a little shorter, just so I can actually have it like right here, because for different outfits, and like, you know, just because sometimes we do want it crossbody, sometimes we want it like off to one side depending on the outfit. So this is what it looks like when being off to the side. As you can see, it does hit really low, and I really don't like that, but I mean, just because I'm not used to it, you know. But for now, I think I'll just wear it crossbody, and if anything, also kind of wear this as a clutch, which I'll show you. But this is what it looks like, just in case you guys were wondering. Okay, and here we have it as a little clutch type thing. I really, really do like it. I know a lot of people do wear the toiletry pouch as a clutch, which I'm totally for as well, but I feel like this looks really nice just because it's like smaller, and it's like it can actually fit like in your hands, not like the toiletry 26 pouch that's really big, which I'm actually like, you know, looking in that. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I really do like it. Obviously I'm not gonna wear it as a clutch right now because like I'm not wearing a dress, you know, but I think it looks really cute. I think the size is really cute, honestly. Like if you were to like take it or something like that, I think it's really nice. But of course, definitely with the crossbody strap. So yeah, and here's comparison of canvas color with my Neverfull. If you enjoyed this video, I know it was kind of a mess. I don't know how I feel about it. Like I don't know if I want to like keep it or like sell it eventually. So if you guys have been looking for this item, let me know, because I do know that the Damier Ebene print is discontinued. I don't know why. I'm not a fan of the monogram because the vachetta, you guys know I don't like vachetta, and Damier Azur is just a no-no for me. So Damier Ebene is like my heart. So yeah, let me know what you guys thought about it in the comments, and with all that being said, I will see you all next time. Bye girls.